Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another review because you guys seem to like that 1965 Mattel Power Shop toy slash tool, who knows what it is, review. And if you haven't seen it, go watch it, enjoy it. And today we got something that I've had for a number of years and used absolutely 0 times because of it's missing some parts. But it'll be going up for sale. It's a mid-50s Delta Homecraft benchtop drill press. Don't have an exact date on it that we can find, at least. We got the AC motor tag right here with all that information. We got over here the serial number, model number, and patent number down there. So, you know, if you want to do some research, go ahead and check it out. I actually acquired it a number of years ago, like I said, from a guy who was paying me to haul off a bunch of trash. And this had been left out in the rain, and he just tossed it. And, of course, I had to have it because I thought I could use it, put it to use. But it's in restorable condition. I just don't have the time. Now, as you can see, this power cord is about as crispy as Kentucky Fried Chicken. And we lubed everything up trying to get it to move. It's a little stuck. And then we'll plug it in and see if it wants to take off. First time I plugged it in a number of years ago, this motor was seized up, so I unplugged it, grabbed it with a pair of pliers and twisted on it, and then she took off. It probably needs to be rebuilt. I know you can get these motors dirt cheap, and you can get rebuild kits for them. It's basically a giant starter motor for a car. That's all it really is. So what we're going to do is show you the other side. There's the nameplate. And then here's the other side. You got your bring it up and bring it down handle. This bit, I'm not exactly sure what this one does. It's froze up. But that seems to work. There's no chuck key anymore, but honestly, I was actually looking before shooting this video. There is guys selling parts for these all over eBay, and they're for a really good price. The part that is missing on this is, you know, there's supposed to be a plate here for you to put your stuff on that you're drilling. You could probably just use this, but there's supposed to be other plates and attachments, and that's why I don't use it. So let's see if we can get this freed up. Nope, I sprayed it down. It's wanting to move. Let me use my actual swinging arm hammer. There you go, it's starting to free up, and that's the go get it up and down. So it's going to take some lubing. I recommend whenever purchases this fine machine, also invest in WD-40, and a lot of it. Because it's still not, you know, wanting to behave. We got down here an adjuster, so that way you can rotate this whole thing side to side. So now what we're going to do, we're going to pause the video for a quick second and get things all situated. And then we're going to, safely as possible, plug in an extension, plug in a cord that's really crispy, and see if it makes a noise, rotates things. I have not tested this other than when I tested it a number of years ago, like I said, so it's definitely not going to work. But we're going to learn that together.
Okay. It's seized up, but I can hear it. Yep.
Okay, it came alive, but it didn't come alive, so let's... I have to, once I have it plugged in.
Turn it off. Unplug it. It's smoking. Well, that was a fail. It's smoking out of the whole motor. Can't see it too good on the camera, but...
Yep, it's...
Yeah, you just fried it. Well, it's okay, I guess.
Yep, that didn't do what it was supposed to do. Okay guys, so that failed. Yeah. You know, it spins by hand. A little stiff. But powered it up. You know, first extension cord didn't work. Swapped out second extension cord. Instant smoke coming from the top, making a humming noise. So I got it unplugged. I'm going to put it up for sale the way that it is right now. Because I know that it worked at one point. Someone could clean it up, get it working. I don't have the time or finances right now to do it. But if it doesn't sell, then maybe we'll swing back around to it and get a video of taking it apart, cleaning it, or swapping motors on it, things like that. So that was this renewed video. I'm gonna have a second review, of swapping gears here, doing a review on some old toy cars. So you guys have a good rest of your day. Keep on renewing. I do apologize that it was the first failure on the channel. Right there. But if nobody buys it the way that it is, we'll bring it back to life.